Yes, and can I get an order of garlic sauce to add to it?
What do you want me to say?
I want to get some garlic sauce.
Oh, a cup garlic sauce.
Yeah.
Hey you guys, how are y'all? I just got off work. Well, not just got off work. I've been off work for probably about an hour and a half. And I had stopped at Dollar Tree. Excuse how I look in here. It is raining outside and it's very cloudy. I'm getting ready to do a little cleaning while it's raining. So it's gonna be like a relaxed clean with me. I need to clean my kitchen. I need to clean my whole house. And it's not terrible, but it's just stuff everywhere. Like these past 2 days, y'all, I haven't done anything. So I ain't made up my bed, y'all. Got stuff here and there. But about to tackle that. I need to wash do I need to wash? I think I could wash a little clothes. I need to fold up some clothes. But yeah, and my house will be clean for the rest of the week, because I'm off tomorrow and I don't want to be spending my day off cleaning. Like I said, I did pick up a few things from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna show y'all that in a minute. But yeah, that's basically it. I just want to come in and say hey to you guys. But yeah, let me show y'all what I got from Dollar Tree. So I just picked up, not that, I just picked up these jars. I don't know what I'm gonna put in them, but I got 3. That extra one, I'm gonna do this little self-care jar. I think I'll show y'all that in this vlog. But yeah, I just got 4 jars all. I got 4 jars all together from Dollar Tree, and I just like how it looks. I'm about to wash these so I can figure out what I'm gonna put in them. And I got this little tray thing. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for. I just got these scent boosters. I got these little containers. I got 3 of them because I think I'm gonna put my tea in these, like, in, you know, I can put different type of teas in them. So I got 3. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them for tea. Then I just got some little sponges and some Lysol wipes. That is it for my Dollar Tree haul for today. So this is some of the stuff that I had took out my refrigerator and my freezer. Well, I took everything out my freezer. And I'm just showing y'all a before of what my refrigerator and my freezer look like before I clean it and wipe it down. So now I'm just about to make me some iced coffee. I'm using the Hershey's Caramel. I'm using the Starbucks iced coffee, medium roast, and I'm using the International Delight creamer. So this is how it turned out. I think this was a nice idea. And I only used 2. I'm gonna use this one tonight. But it's a little good idea to store. Yep. Y'all, when I tell y'all I love my little jars, y'all, I love my little jars. I wish I had something else that I could put into them, but I don't have no idea. I just put my ground coffee in this one. But yes, I can't wait till I redo redo my kitchen and get some more organization supplies. But y'all, I really love these. These are so cute, and they just like it go with my feng shui, my little vibe I'm going for. And they were only $1, you know, $1. Gotta go get me some more because I can use these for other stuff, like other organization hats and stuff. Put them in your bathroom, put Q-tips. You can use these for a lot, but I like these, but I gotta get some more of these.